welcome to weekly vlog at number 29. We're on our way to pick up my sister and I'm so excited. I don't know how this video is gonna come out, but this is for the vlog and possibly for that special video that we're doing for her. Literally, we're gonna go pick her up, take her on the opposite direction of where we're supposed to be going because my future brother-in-law is not ready.
The fiance-to-be.
The fiance-to-be is not ready.
He's not like backing out or anything. He just doesn't have the right clothes on.
Oh, okay. That sounded wrong probably, huh?
Yeah. I mean, it might have not, but just to clarify.
Just to clarify. I feel so bad because she thinks we're not doing absolutely anything for her birthday. Little does she know, we can't. She's booked for the day. Last night we called her like a few minutes before her birthday and she looked so bummed out. I just wanted to tell her, but obviously we can't.
She had high hopes for this year's birthday. She was talking about, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that.
She wanted to go out of town. She actually wanted to do something for once.
And it sounded great.
Yeah.
It sounded fun.
I wanted to say yes so bad. Anything she would say, I'm like, no, I don't think so. And then my dad yesterday, apparently he said, well, we can go out for lunch or something. And then I was like, no, because I mean, Jesus isn't gonna be there and George isn't gonna be there. So like, we just put buts and ifs on everything.
We're just blocking everything.
But we love you, sissy, and happy birthday. Today is her actual birthday.
Yeah, it's for her birthday. Duh.
So good.
Yes.
Here's my food.
Oh, wow.
The usual. Are they good? Happy birthday.
Thanks. Best birthday present ever.
Can we put candles on it? Saying happy birthday to you? It's a whole birthday cake.
Ooh, look at that. Beautiful cookie. And her sister. Buddy, we are over here at the waterfall park. The park of the waterfall. We are gonna take nice pictures of Eileen today. On this wonderful day. What a beautiful day. She doesn't know. It's coming. She's gonna get proposed to. I'm so nervous, just not even. Wow, look at the waterfall. I'm on purse duty, everybody. Want me to hold your bag too, ma'am?
People, my hair's gonna go crazy.
It won't be very long. We're just gonna take a couple of pictures.
I mean, it is kind of windy.
Want me to clear them out? That's Eileen is in the building, everyone. Here, let me go over there. Let me try first. Let me go first. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jorge Palomino here, and I'm over here just recording at this waterfall, man. Yeah. Man, there's a lot of people here, man. They like to take pictures, but that's cool, man. Yeah, YouTube vlogs and everything. I used to town all the time. You know how I do, boy. Woo! Clear out space, trying to clear out room. No, it didn't work. Did anybody move?
Hey, she needs her shoes.
You need her what? Oh, you trading your shoes?
Where?
Oh yeah, whenever we were walking, they were taking wedding pictures.
We did it.
We did it.
Success.
Oh my god.
Wow. Good stuff, huh? You think they like each other?
I think so.
Okay.
I'm so glad that you parked in this parking lot.
Right?
I was so nervous.
I know you were. You were like nervous. That was great.
Good job, baby.
Good job, baby. We should start a business. No. A proposing business.
We did it. There's a whole video coming that I've been filming since June 25th.
Yeah.
Almost an entire month. 3 weeks worth of footage of just different things leading up to the proposal. I'm so sweaty. I'm so tired. I was so nervous coming over here. I had butterflies in my stomach and I wasn't even getting proposed to.
Oh my god. I was so nervous too. And I was like, she can smell your nervousness. I'm like, no she can't.
Oh my god, I don't even know how those pictures turned out. I was literally like this,
oh my,
taking pictures. And then I was like, okay, get it together. Like I was almost crying. I almost cried when I was taking pictures whenever he came up behind her. I like literally stopped taking pictures for like a split second. I'm like, get it together. And I'm like, I was just focusing and I just went ham with pictures. At least one of those have to be good.
Yeah.
It's done. Now it's time to chill. They're engaged. The ring is beautiful. And it's done. Okay.
God, I can't believe it. She's so happy.
I know.
So cool.
All right, we'll update y'all later.
If any of our subscribers want to get engaged, just call us.
Hit us up.
Hit us up at palominoproposals.com.
Are you ready for the fastest grocery shopping ever?
Yes.
We have 15 minutes on the clock.
15 minutes.
Let's do it. It's behind.
Dang it. We're losing. We need to do a 4-minute buffer.
No.
4-minute curve.
We have 10 minutes.
Oh my god.
We need to take them. Oh, yeah. I'm done. You don't have We still need to check out. Pasta sauce. Oh, I didn't know what you meant. Yeah. I think so. Oops. No, we don't. No, we don't. Oh, open the door, Palomino. Thanks.
We did it.
We did it!
Let's go, man.
Oh my goodness.
That's great. We should do that every time. We don't waste so much time at the grocery store. Wow. It's so nice here. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Puro frito.
So I'm editing the Nordstrom sale video, and why am I so tempted to make George my thumbnail? Look at this. Do you guys hear this rain? The droplets are so big. Oh yeah, you can see the big old water droplets now. Oh my gosh. You guys, so there was like a big old lightning strike. I think it blew out my coffee machine. I've been trying to make it work for like the past 10 minutes because I really need coffee and it won't turn on. I think the lightning strike ruined it or something. Ugh. Nothing. So where are we going, Georgie Porgy?
To Xfinity.
Why?
Because our Xfinity internet box blew up.
Why?
Because of the lightning. You know what else it did? It killed our TV. Our TV is dead.
It's gone, you guys. Okay, go to
Okay, let's go.
I'm hungry. I don't want to go.
Oh, you're gonna stay? Oh, okay.
Our router. Oh my gosh. We're here at Best Buy. The best purchase of our life.
Yes, we're gonna buy a really big TV.
Hopefully they have
instead
one.
of getting those iWatches.
Because, well, not instead. We're just gonna do it later.
Yeah.
They were taking too long.
Yeah, I don't want the TV today.
Oh Lord. So, I mean, we just asked if they had it, and they have it, and now they're getting it.
Yes.
We've been in here, what, not even 5 minutes?
5 minutes.
Not even.
It's the best buy ever.
So they're getting it from the warehouse. George thinks I'm flirting.
Yeah.
We're just in the Chick-fil-A drive-thru, and we're gonna get them some dinner, my little brother and my dad. Yeah, they're gonna meet us at the house with the TV. Hopefully my dad can help me mount it because it's way too big for me. You guys, he's shook.
That's the biggest irresponsible purchase that I've ever bought.
How is that
Ever done.
irresponsible?
Because we could have bought the 65 for half the money.
That's true.
It's not the biggest purchase of it, girl. I've bought a stove that was more expensive. And it was actually on sale. I had a good deal on that stove.
Yeah, you did.
But
So
we
what?
got it.
So you want to return it or what?
No. A baby blue.
Alright, let's go. God, Peanut, you're satisfied, aren't you? Digs. In the back too, I changed the water and food. I gave them the food already. That's why I'm letting them out so they can be satisfied. There's Kaido. Kaido! Okay, well, come here. Okay, I think that's enough. I've been walking you for like 10 minutes already.
What you got there?
My first Apple Watch.
Yeah.
Where is it?
What the?
JK. Oh, it's a wireless charger?
It's not.
It is.
It is.
That is so coolio. So I am on my way to Starbucks, and then I think I'm gonna go pick up that Kylie Cosmetics package that I have. Yeah, I had a very late start to the day today because I had a very late night last night, and the video still didn't make it up. I was hoping that I was gonna finish editing that Kylie skin video by at least 11:45, and it would give me enough time to upload and make the thumbnail and stuff, and it just didn't happen. So I'm just gonna go get my coffee, go get that package, see my mom for a little bit. I still have a couple more videos to film as well. Hopefully when I get back I can make my to-do list and I can get it all done. Also, you guys, I got my Apple Watch yesterday and I am kind of obsessed with it. I still don't know how to work it, but it's so cool. We decided to come to a different place for once. In a long time we haven't gone to something different.
Tuna steak. I want some tuna steak.
And then you get stuff from there too. It's cool. That was really good. And it was a fun little experience too.
Yeah.
It's at a really cute location too. In Midtown. It is Midtown, right?
This is Midtown, right?
Oh.
Yeah.
That's because you told me earlier it wasn't.
I mean, I didn't know. Okay, so first here we have broccoli florets. And we also have some chorizo. So we got some flour tortillas too. And we have petite carrots. I wanted baby carrots. Tillamook ice cream, sealed with plastic, very nice. You need to put this in the freezer before it's milk. It feels like milk right now. And bluebell ice cream with no plastic.
Oh Lord, I
I want
hope
to
it
see if
wasn't
it's been
licked.
licked. The reason we have ice cream is because we will be having guests over tonight.
A party.
Party.
Not really, it's
So
just
we
a movie night.
have farmhouse bread. We got tired of the medium eggs, so we have large eggs. And for our party, we got some flaming hot Cheeto puffs and flaming hot Cheetos. Why? Why two different kinds?
Variety.
Variety.
Who doesn't like an option?
We got some instant ramen. We got some limes.
For the hot Cheetos.
Yeah. We got some sriracha sauce. And we got some more instant noodles. More chips. We have a whole bunch of hot fries. And we got Coke. They're on special, so we got 3 of these. All you vegans and vegetarians, look away, please. Viewer discretion is advised. We got pork chops. We have more pork chops. Just in case you run out of those. Chicken chops. I'm running out of room here, guys. We got a lot of food here this week. Okay, we have apples. And we have avocados. Then I got some Mio thingy-jiggers.
You're missing the cilantros and the coffee in the car.
Oh, I left them in the car, huh?
Yep.
Packs of water and a whole bunch of Gatorades. And that's it, everybody. That's all we got. If you don't know how cilantro is spelled, here it is. Am I too high?
Yeah.
If you don't know how cilantro is spelled, here it is.